Hi everyone, welcome to WaterView. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom filters to search water efficiency, usage, and/or allocation. This is a very useful tool to narrow down the customers in your district that are most or least efficient, highest water users, or who have the highest or lowest allocation. First, you will need to open your layers. On the top toolbar, select the Layer feature. The first line will say Current Percent of Allocation. Looking to the right, select the gear symbol or options. For this example, we will be creating a new filter. Once selected, a new editor box will appear. Here you will want to label your search with a title. Let's call this Efficiency, and hit OK to continue. This is how you will find these search criteria later in the search drop-down. In the filter editor box at the bottom, click Add Search Criteria. Make sure the radio button next to By Field is selected. In the top drop-down, select Conservation Score. In the drop-down below, click the Text Box widget option. There are other widget options, but we recommend using the text box. We also recommend using greater than as the default. This can be changed later in each search. All we are doing here is setting the default. Select Add at the bottom, and it will now appear in the filter editor box. Since the conservation score, also referred to as efficiency, water usage and allocation are all part of the same data set in WaterView. We can add those other options to the same search menu. We will then have the ability to search all three at the same time, or just one or two of those options. So now we can hit Add Search Criteria and repeat those steps for usage and allocation. In each case, be sure to change the default symbol from the equal sign to greater than, or whatever your preference is. Once you see all three options in the filter editor, then you can hit OK and close that. Now you are back to your map and the setup is complete. This only needs to be done once and will remain as a search option until you delete the custom filter. To access the new custom filter, you will hit the Search button on the toolbar at the top, next to the Layers button. It will automatically pull Efficiency since we just set it up. If you see demographics or something else, you would just need to select Efficiency from the drop-down. Then you will be able to type in custom searches. For example, if you wanted to see all customers with a conservation score over 250%, you would type in 2.5 into that field. The efficiency is measured as a percentage, and to search, you use the whole number. For instance, 100% equals 1, and 200% is 2, etc. Once you hit OK, it will go back to the map and you'll notice a widget in the top right corner that says Loading Results with a spinning icon. Once loaded, the visible search results will show. It's important to note that this number is only showing what is on your screen based on your zooming level. Zooming in or out will adjust and recalculate the visible search results. If I wanted to add usage or allocation to the search, I can do that by hovering over the submenu for each criteria and entering a new number, then clicking Apply Filter. You can also use the main search button again on the toolbar and enter your numbers in there. Sometimes it turns out to turn the current percent allocation layer off, so it is easier to see the green outlines with your search results on the map. after you get the visible search results where you want it. Then you will be able to add to list and see it populate at the bottom of the screen. We will cover this function in another video. In order to remove the filter, you would click the hamburger menu icon right below the Home button at the top left of your screen. It's important to only use the Remove filter so that this search option stays in your search menu. There is also an option here to edit the filter or permanently delete the filter. This will completely delete from the system and a new filter would have to be created. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please contact us at support@eagleaerial.com or 714-754-7670.